Yeah, right. This is my second bike check. Just an update, really. Yeah, I'll start from the top and I'll work my way backwards. Yes, safe. Right, so I've got the Vocal Local bars in chrome. They're pretty nice. They're new. Federal Battle Grips purple, and the Clutch Swift brake lever in green. Vocal. Well, it's not Vocal, it's I can't remember what it is because I snapped my Vocal one. I don't know, pretty dear though, so yeah. Saltless top loader stem. They're pretty good actually for what they are. I've got a Demolition Rise plate, Vocal detangler, black label headset with a chrome spacer and purple cover. Bottom cable is Vocal. So my forks are BSD Ghetto forks. Yeah, nice forks. I've got this is another new part. I've got a Profile mini hub, blue, onto a Primo 6 Series rim. My tyre is a Eastern Curb Monkey tyre. Really good tyres. I recommend them because they're nice and fat. Really good foot jams and stuff like that. So yeah, my my frame is United Squad frame. Spread it myself. Yeah. Got a United seat post and I don't know, some Harrow seat clamp, I think. Dancock signature Federal fat seat in like grey. Full AMU brakes with Savage component squeak pads. Yeah. A Clap tibia cranks, DK bicycle pedals, proper microlight sprocket, and a YBN half link chain. Moving to my back wheel, I've got a Profile mini left hand drive hub, 9 tooth with a titanium axle, laced to a 6 series rim again here with black spokes, and an Eastern burnout tyre, sort of like a Primo comment. Yeah. I've also got, I forgot as well, Primo 22mm bottom bracket. I'll show you this one. Yeah, Primo 22mm bottom bracket. Yeah, that's everything. Cheers for watching. Like and subscribe. Cheers, bye.